In this video, we'll be talking about the problem of the month, specifically the level C portion of the problem of the month. And within your packet, you're going to see them talking about spirographs. Now, a spirograph is a geometric design of a sequence of numbers. A spirograph with a sequence of 4, 5, 6 is called an order 3 spirograph because it has 3 numbers in its sequence. So the first step that you'll see on your paper already done is that we are going to draw a point that's labeled home, and what we'll be doing is we're going to go up that first number of the sequence. So in this case, it's the number 4. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Now in our next step, we're going to have to make a 90-degree turn to the right and draw a line the distance of the second number in the sequence. Now remember, we have a 4, 5, 6 sequence. So now we're going to be going 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, we're going to use our third number in the sequence. Remember, we have a 4, 5, 6 sequence. So that'll be 6. We're going to turn right 90 degrees again. And we're going to go down 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, remember, we only had a 4, 5, 6 sequence. So after our third step, what this is telling you to do is returning back to that first number. So we've gone 4, 5, 6 units. So now we're going to make another 90-degree turn to the right. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Now what you want to do is to continue with this process of turning right and drawing the sequences. So we have 4, 5, 6. We've gone 4 up, 5 to the right, 6 down, 4 to the left. So then we'll need to continue with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to continue with 6 going this direction. Now, it's okay to go through your original lines. That's totally fine. And you want to continue doing this until you get back home. Now, the questions that you'll actually have to answer within this assignment is what patterns did you find in the spirograph? Do you notice certain shapes? Did you notice a certain number of times you had to complete the sequence? What ended up happening with the sequence of the spirograph? Where does it go? Does it continue going in that order? Anything of that nature. Now these questions, a couple of you guys were wondering about. For example, right here we're asked, how are the designs impacted by the size of the numbers in the sequence? So for example, we had a 4, 5, 6 sequence. So they're asking, instead of 4, 5, 6, what if we had a 5, 6, 7 sequence, or a 6, 7, 8, or a 10, 11, 12 sequence? So we want to know, do we see the same patterns within that? Right here, this is probably the question you guys were wondering most about, the numbers of numbers in the sequence. So remember, we had a 4, 5, 6 sequence. Now, instead of that, they're wondering, well, what happens if you have a 4, 5, 6, 7 sequence? So instead of having an order 3 sequence, we have an order 4, or even an order 5. We want to know, do we still see the same patterns from our original sequence? And the arrangement of the numbers in the sequence. So again, we had a 4, 5, 6 sequence, but what if we switch that up a little bit? What if we tried a 5, 4, 6 sequence? Or even a 6, 5, 4 sequence, or a 5, 6, 4 sequence? Do we still see the same patterns we would with our original spirograph? Over here, for question 3, we want to know, describe the relationship between the order numbers and the number of loops in the design. So eventually you'll see this start to loop and loop in and loop out again. And we want to know, is there a relationship between the 4, 5, 6, or whatever number sequence you have, and how many loops you'll eventually see? We also want to know, do all the spirographs eventually return home? Do they eventually lead back to this original point? And we want to know, what is the relationship between the order of a spirograph and the number of cycles of times the sequence numbers were used to return home? So how many times do you have to go 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6? All right. We want to know the relationship between the order of the spirograph, order 3, order 4, order 5, how many numbers you have in that sequence. So again, in order 3 is 4, 5, 6, and in order 4 will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Now they want to know what's the relationship between in order 3 and in order 4 and the times we cycle and the sequence of numbers we use to return home. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me during class. If not, good luck.